Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, this is another episode of coding a Discord.js bot. And this was last episode, episode 3.2, and this is episode 4. So, this one's a little bit late, sorry about that guys, but you know, happens. Bit ill, so that's obviously going to happen. Anyway, last episode I gave you some homework to try and make an announcement happens when a member leaves the guild. And quite simple, but sorry about that guys, but technical issues, sorry about that. Anyway, like I was saying, I forgot what I was getting. Oh yeah. Now, sorry about my coughing. Hopefully you can bear it. Now, we did the event guild member add, and now we're gonna do guild member remove. And it's simple as 1, 2. And 3, pretty much. Now, you can say goodbye channel cannot be reached instead. Bye channel cannot be reached. Now, what you want to do, oh yeah, up here, the welcome channel, you wanted to put it here instead. That's the only error. Last time I got an error before, and this is why you need to put this here, and that fixes that error. You're welcome guys. But yeah, that's how you fix that. Oh no, not that one. That's how you fix that error. And then over here you want to change this to goodbye channel, or you can just keep it in the same channel. Me, I'm going to do separate just in case, and if you want to do this for multiple servers then you would have to do this anyway. So now we want to do a goodbye, so we just type exactly what we typed before. I'm gonna keep it in general, why not? And that works. Anyway, now you can say goodbye, my friend. There you go. Because why not? Now, this won't work unless the member, the member is added on the friends list of the bot, or the member is in a different Discord server of where the bot is. Then this wouldn't work. So so you would just delete that. This would work as long as, yeah, as long as it works. Yeah. Now, that's it. That's pretty much it. It is simple enough, but obviously I could understand why some people would have issues with this. So now we're going to be going to more advanced stuff. Now we are going to be adding commands into a folder, so it's all compact into where everything is. So we're going to quickly create a folder here called CMD, CMDS. Sorry about that. Now we're going to do a constant fx equals require open bracket quotes fx quotes close bracket semicolon. Now this is a built-in module. You don't need to go into command prompt and just install it. You don't need to do that. Also, I removed that space there because I like it together. Now we need to do some other stuff like this. We need to do fs read dir. This means read directory, and fs is just using the module. Open bracket quotes dot / cmds / quotes. Now what this is doing is going back out. This is going back out one, so outside of this folder, and it's searching for a outside of this file, sorry, and then it's searching for a file or folder, and it's searching for a folder and not a module called CMDS, which is right here. So if you had it somewhere else, so for example if you had maybe temp, and inside here you have CMDS, then you would type temp like that. So it goes out, it goes into temp, and then it goes into CMDS. But we're not going to be doing that, so that's just to show you that. Now you would want to come here and you want to do a comma and open bracket ERR for error, comma files, and then close bracket. Now what this does is it's seeing if there's an error inside this folder, and if and it's grabbing files that's inside that folder. Then you want to do equals and then write open squiggly bracket enter, put a semicolon on that. Now if error console dot error, there you go. Now what this does is if there is an error, then it will console.error, which is it makes it stand out than the console.log, and it will error. So now we're going to do let JS files equal files dot filter open bracket f space equals right arrow f dot split open bracket quotes dot quotes close bracket dot pop open bracket close bracket space equal 3 equals space quotes JS quotes close bracket semicolon. Now this is what this would do. What this would do is get all the files in get the files, which is up here. It will get all the files in the folder and filter the files. And with each one, it will split it where the dot is, and it will remove the well, let's take this, because when you split it you have two arrays, and this will pop the last element, or remove the last element from the array. So for example, if we had like help.js, it will pop it, and it would remove this, and now with no, it would split it, and then it would pop it by removing this and then taking it to its own little output, and if it equals JS, then it will store everything that equals JS. So help, it equaled JS, so help would go here inside there. So we're getting all the files that is a .js basically. Now if we do if open bracket JS files dot length right arrow equal 0 close bracket open squiggly line console.log open bracket quote no commands to load, and exclamation point quote close bracket semicolon return semicolon. What this would do, this would get the JS files, and if the length, meaning if the amount of JS files is lower or equals 0, then it will output this and says no commands to load, because there isn't, because there's no JS files. Anyway, now we're gonna do console.log open bracket, and then this little above tab to left of one below escape, loading $sign open squiggly bracket JS files dot length close squiggly lines commands, and there you go. Now to obviously do the quotes way, you would do this, loading JS files dot length commands. There you go. Now, you know, in the past videos I didn't actually put that there, this little thing here in the description, and I keep on forgetting, so I'm gonna do it in video, because it's absolutely pissing me off that I keep on forgetting. So I'm going to quickly go through all my videos and add that below. Because I keep on forgetting. This would basically be... There we go. there you go, guys. I will just call you. I will just call it weird key. Okay, so now I'm gonna call it weird key from now on, and I'm gonna save the changes. Next one. Really long time explaining it. There you go. Save that. Save. Weird key, save, and I will also do it in this video. It won't be able to find it. And this video you guys are watching, hopefully. And if it's not, it's over here. So you guys are welcome for that. Because I keep on forgetting, and I'm no longer going to forget. Because yeah. Anyway, that's what you would do. Now I'm just going to remove that because I like that mode better. Now JS files dot for each, meaning for each file in JS files, we will open bracket f comma I believe, and I'm not certain, that f means you will be setting each file to f, and I means like something world, I don't know. But basically putting this I here makes us able. Okay, so basically putting this I here will make us be able to do each of them, I guess. I don't know, really. 1 second, my hair is annoying me. 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back, sorry about that. And now we are going to do equals right arrow. Because yeah, I don't really know what that does, but it does something, so it's there. Open squiggly line, enter, put semicolon on that, and then let props equal require open bracket, and we want that little thingy here, and this I think is essential, I believe. I will show you the other way, but not guaranteed that it will work. Anyway, a dot / CMDS / $ open bracket f close bracket a weird bracket, sorry, and then that. So let me just show you the alternative to that. One sec, guys. Okay guys, I'm back, sorry about that, a little interference. Anyway, now you would put this here like that. I believe that would work, I don't know, but there's no excuse for not using that because it's in the description below. And if it's not in the description below, then it's in the description below of every other video that I made. I mean, every other disco.js video that I made. There you go. Console.log, open brackets. Guess what? You need that weird key again. $, open weird bracket, I +1, close weird bracket, semicolon, space, $, open weird bracket, f close weird bracket, loaded, then exclamation point. And then you would do bot.commands. Yes, we did miss something. Up here you would need to put in something called bot. You need to put here bot commands equal a new discord dot collection open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. There you go. This will make a new collection. It's pretty self-explanatory. It makes a new collection in Discord and then in Discord client and stores it into here. Yeah. Now you would do bot.commands.set open bracket props.help.name comma props close bracket semicolon. Now to do the quotes version of this, you would do this. First of all, you got to convert these to quotes. Actually, no point even putting that there. Plus that. Plus. There you go. And that's what you would type in here to be identical to that. So I'm going to delete that now. Now that's the main bit done. Now we don't have anything else to do. Oh, actually we do. With the ready right here, we're gonna do console.log open bracket, and here we're gonna do \n to make it more neater, and we're going to do the weird key, and then actually you don't need to do the weird key this time. Bot.commands, that's it. Close bracket semicolon. Yeah, but I'm going to put in the weird key stuff because I need to do something which will make it look better, I think, anyway. So there you go. And then \n. That means new line, so nothing will really interfere with it. So I hope, anyway. I guess we can not do that, but I'm going to do that. Let's save, and then let's, I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's basically how you do it there. Actually, no. You would go to you have message. Now you would go here. Now, for every command you would do in bot.js, you would add it over here and keep on adding with if commands. But we're going to create a whole new message event, which you can create multiple. That's fine. We're going to do it at the bottom here. We're going to remove everything that we don't need. And I believe that's all we need. Anything. If command starts with thingy. Yep, okay. If it doesn't, sorry. Anyway, let's do let CMD CMD equal bot.commands dot get open bracket command dot slice open bracket prefix dot length close bracket semicolon. Now what this would do is, you know, that collection, all the commands, it will get all the commands and it will get a command that is equal to command up here. It will get a command that is equal to the command that you inputted onto the keyboard into the text in the message content area. But and then it will slice prefix.length off. It will remove the prefix, and then it will find the command. So what this is doing is it gets the command, slices the prefix off, and then it will just reply with this with the command. So pretend you put .help. What this here will do is it will just remove that. But if you type .help, it will go through this whole process here. Getting rid of the dot. No, wait, sorry. Yeah. If you do .help, so if you do .help, it will go here. It will remove this, and it will output with help here. So pretend remove this and pretend help is there, and then it will search bot.commands. You know, all those all the JS files in the commands folder for help, and it will and then stores that into CMD. Then now we need to execute it. So we're going to do if open bracket CMD close bracket CMD.run, and then it message and then asks. Okay, now what this does, it will run that JS file, and it will give the JS file these variables. So bot, which is this up here, the message right here, the message, and then the arguments right here. So, and then we will save and that's that. Now all you would have to do is make, for example, a help.js like this, and now I will need to go to copy this from somewhere, as this is, I cannot memorize this for the life of me, but I can explain it pretty much. Well, I can only explain some of it, so let me just quickly remove everything that is not needed. Okay, here we go. So this will basically, it's grabbing this from the run. It's saying that it can be run, and it's getting this little bot messaging args here. Now what this bit here is, if you see help and name, are those familiar to you? It says to me, because I know it is. Help and name, so it goes props.help.name, so it gets the name of the command. It doesn't matter with the actual name, it just matters with here. So if you do help1 and you do dot help1, well, if you do help1 in here, name this help, and run dot help1, then it will still execute this. So if you do dot help, that won't work. So anyway, you would do help, because it's a help command. And you can do whatever you want here. You could do message.channel.sends, or you can do an embed. Now your homework is try and do an embed. Obviously use here, and I will tell you what you need to use. You need to use rich embed right here. That's how I'm going to tell you for your homework today. Anyway, go ahead and try that out. Anyway, go and try that out and tell me in the comments how far you're getting, if you're getting stuck or not. Next episode we will do a avatar command, but right now this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any feedback or any ideas you wish me to do, comment down below. Subscribe if you enjoy my content and wish to watch more. And join my Discord, my Discord server. The Discord link is down below. For like complete updates on when every discord.js video is coming out, you'll be notified with an at everybody. So be excited for that, I guess. Be excited for that? Why did I say that? I don't know, but you can be notified instantly when a new video comes up, and plus you will get a ton of perks. Not a ton, but a lot of perks, let's say. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. If you need any help with coding, like I said, I can help you in the Discord server below, or in the comments sentence, but you will guarantee get my reply faster on Discord. Guaranteed. Hashtag guaranteed. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.